Hi kids, this is Dr. Ling Fung from Eduling International Academy. Today I'm going to read you a book in English. The name of the book is Tiger's Bakery. You can find the book in both English and Vietnamese on Eduling website. So let's get started. Tiger's Bakery. Author Nguyễn Trần Thiên Lộc. Illustrator Lê Thị Anh Thư. Translator Linh Fung. Tiger lives in a forest. He loves baking sweet treats. On the first day, he makes a batch of aromatic green bean pies. He loads them on a cart and takes them to the stream to sell them. The wind carries the aroma far away. The aroma reaches Deer, making him begin to drool. Look at him, he's drooling. But Deer doesn't dare to go and buy them because he is scared of Tiger. Even at noon, Tiger has not sold one single pie. He pushes the cart home, feeling so sad. In the evening, Tiger eats all of the pies. His tummy is so full. On the second day, Tiger makes a batch of sweet-smelling banana pies. He pushes them to the ancient tree to sell them. Look at him. He's trying to sell the pies here. The scent of the banana pies moves up and reaches Monkey. His tummy is so hungry for some. He wants to have some. But Monkey does not dare to climb down the tree to buy some. He is afraid of Tiger. Even at noon, Tiger has not sold any pies. He pushes the cart back home, feeling so disappointed. In the evening, Tiger eats all of the banana pies. His tummy grows big and round like a balloon. Wow, look at the tummy. It's huge. On the third day, Tiger makes a batch of sweet potato pies. He pushes them to the edge of the forest to sell them. The aroma of the pie spreads throughout the whole forest and reaches the pig. He wants some so badly. But Pig doesn't dare to go to Tiger and buy some. He's afraid of Tiger. Even at noon, Tiger hasn't sold any pies. He pushes the cart back home, feeling sadder than ever. In the evening, Tiger eats all of the sweet potato pies. His tummy expands like a drum. Wow, huge! On the fourth day, Tiger doesn't make any pies. He decides to find out why nobody buys his delicious treats. He runs into Deer, Monkey, and Pig in the meadow. Deer, Monkey, and Pig. Monkey says, "The scent of your pies made me hungry." Pig says, "I wanted them so badly. I wanted to buy them for my whole family." Deer says, "But we are all afraid of you. We don't dare to go and buy them." "Oh, I see," thinks Tiger. Oh, he has an idea. "I will have to disguise myself tomorrow." On the fifth day, Tiger makes a batch of green bean pies, a batch of sweet potato pies, and a batch of banana pies. He loads them all on a big cart. Wow, this is so big, so many pies. Then he jumps into a pile of flour to turn his body white. He trims his nails neatly. He also puts on 2 long ears. Now Tiger looks just like a bunny. He excitedly pushes the cart to the meadow. A moment later, someone calls out, "I'd like some pies, please." Tiger looks around. He's so surprised. 3 tigers want to buy his pies. One has 2 big ears and a big nose. Who's this? One has antlers as pointed as little sticks. One has long legs and arms. Tiger recognizes deer, monkey, and pig. He starts to roll around laughing. Deer, monkey, and pig also recognize Tiger in disguise and start laughing. In the end, nobody feels afraid of Tiger anymore. Tiger's bakery gets more customers each day. The end. So again, if you want to download this story, you can go to eduling.org/resources. I hope you enjoyed the story. See you next time. Bye.